In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your alarm not working after the iOS 26 update. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this can be really annoying, but the first thing you want to do is go to your alarms because it might just be a setting that changed on them. And firstly, make sure it's enabled for whatever time you want, but then just go ahead and click on it and just make sure the settings are okay. So if you're not getting any sound or anything like that, make sure you can, you choose a sound, make sure it's not on none like mine is right now. You can change the snooze duration as well and disable or enable snooze. And then you can choose if you want it to repeat on any certain days, anything like that as well. Now, another thing you want to do is go to your settings application, scroll down until you find sounds and haptics, and then make sure where it says ringtone alerts, make sure this is turned on properly. And then also another thing you could do is turn off silent mode, which will definitely help your alarm work. The final thing you could do, because it might just be a glitch, is go over and hold down your volume button, your top volume button, and your power button together, slide to power off your phone, and then just restart it once it goes black, and then your alarm should be working properly. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out other videos on the channel.